check how to do block glass glitch working, get super high score. So let's start. As you can see, I'm here on my app, and you can start working here and start using the app. Okay, so you can start winning and gaining points here. But how you can get a high score? Well, first, let's go to the settings here, and then let's go to the portal test replay. You will write it replay, and then again replay, again replay, once again replay. You will do it as many times as you can, maybe 10 times, something like that, and then do it like that, and then again replay. Okay, so when you do it many times, now it's time to play it. Okay, and now you can start gaming it, and you will gain more points as possible to win your part here. And that is how you can work it, and how you can start winning a lot of points on your black blast glitch. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.